Okay, and using SPSS to get just a quick overview of your data. Got the data pulled up here. First thing I'll do is just go to the variable view and look to see that my quantitative variables, which are numeric, and that they're all on the measured on the scale level, and that my categorical variables, they can either be string or numeric, but the string, and I want to make sure that they're listed as nominal over here, which just means it's a categorical variable. And those seem to all be set up correctly. The next thing I'm going to do is analyze descriptive and descriptives. And see, I've already done this. I've taken all of my scale or quantitative variables and put them over on the right-hand side. And just click OK. Let me just show you how to do that and get everything at once. If you click on the first variable you want and then hit Shift and then go down to the end, you'll see it has all of them and you can just move them all over at once. And then just click OK. You can see here that we have a sample size of 400 and everything. That the lowest sales is 0, that's in thousands of units. And that we had local advertising as low as 0. This is advertising spent locally. Of course, that doesn't mean there isn't any national kind of spending. And so anyway, you can look through there, and it just has the minimum, the maximum, and the mean. You can get more than that, but for our just briefest of overviews here, that's sufficient, I think. And then basically, I'm just trying to get an understanding of the variables here. And that's when you see that sales of 0 to 16 and advertising of 0 to 29, it's important to note that that's sales in thousands of units. And if you don't understand that, then the data might not make much sense. So that's really the kind of purpose here, is to make you look at the data and figure things out there. Then the other thing I'm going to do under Analyze is go to Descriptives and Frequencies. And you can see I just have the 3 categorical variables there. And I'm really just going to look at the frequencies right now to make sure I have at least 10 or 15 in each category. That will allow me to make reliable inferences across groups. You can see in the shelf location I have 96, 85, and 219. That's good. We're all above 15 there. And frequencies for urban and rural, and for living in the U.S. and not, all of those are greater than 15. So as far as just a quick overview, that's where I'll stop. Of course, you could go to Analyze, Descriptive, and down to Explore and get more things like box plots and histograms, but we'll save that for later in our analysis.